What hey there, Tech24 fans. Today we're taking a closer look at the LANMU attachments tube dust brush cleaning compatible with Dyson V7 V8 V10 V11 V12 V15 Outsize cordless vacuum cleaner. If you're tired of struggling to clean those hard-to-reach areas, then this attachment is a game changer. The customized design means no complicated setup or additional tools are required. Simply attach it to your Dyson vacuum cleaner and you're ready to start tackling those difficult spots with ease. Designed to be compatible with several models of Dyson cordless vacuums, this attachment effortlessly reaches into corners, keyboards, vents, cars, pets, and more, leaving your home spotless. Not only is it easy to use, but it's efficient too. The compact size allows for precision cleaning in tight spaces, effectively picking up dirt, dust, and small debris, ensuring a thorough clean every time. And don't worry about durability, this attachment is built to last. Made from high-quality ABS and PP materials, it can withstand regular use and provide you with reliable cleaning performance. In the package, you'll receive one vacuum dust brush and one tube cleaning brush, a must-have accessory for your housework cleaning. Don't miss out on this valuable tool for your Dyson vacuum. Click the link in the description to get your LANMU attachments tube dust brush cleaning now and take your cleaning routine to the next level. Happy cleaning, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more great product reviews and tech tips.